Well, hello everyone. I decided to depart from my normal videos to share a video on plantains. I got introduced to plantains back in the mid 80s in El Salvador and been in love with them ever since. Now, if you ever seen plantains, if you know what they are, there's various degrees which you can cook with them. Some of them, they cross-cut them and put them in like a potato into a soup. And of course, the Cuban or even here, they smash them a little bit, fry them up. I forget what the name is on them. I like to let them go to this point. Now, most people would think, oh, that's a rotten banana or a rotten plantain. Nothing is further from the truth. If you take a look at this, it's beautiful color, a little bit soft, but very sweet. This is the highest point of sweetness for these bananas. And what I like to do is take them and fry them. And here we are frying them now. And what I'll do is a couple things. They're great with eggs in the morning, but also if you sprinkle them with a little cinnamon and sugar, they're a nice little treat. Kids love them. And if you want to kick it up a notch, my kids love it when I put a scoop of ice cream on top of them when they're hot. And the ice cream melts in a little bit and the cream drizzles over the bananas and really goes off the chart with this meal. So that's kind of my short video on plantains. Don't ever think that when you see them when they're black that they're bad, because they are not. They're at their peak sweetness. And I cut them in half, and I do take a fork and pierce them to assist in some of the hot air and oil going through them. Cook them till they're about this stage. I like them a little bit crunchy in spots. Adds to the flavor or the texture. And again, I'm going to eat them today. You can also take these and wrap a tortilla around them with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar. That's another great, actually that recipe was given to me in the Philippines by a Filipina, and I actually enjoyed them. So anyways, give it a try. These are plantains. You get them when they're ripe or not. There's so many different ways. I'm sure you can YouTube them and find out different recipes for plantains, but this one's mine. Okay? Y'all have a great day.